afternoon or good evening. Today we're going to try a microwave meal or an oven meal. It's Swedish meatballs and pasta. Never tried this one. They're alright, these meals, if you're just in a hurry or you've been to work. And this one, it's Swedish meatballs. It's got saturated fibre, protein. It does have a lot of salt again, but they're not too bad, these great value meals from Walmart. $4. So we're going to try this. So there's the product, and we're hoping it's going to turn out like this. And I'll come back in. How long it take in the oven? 20 minutes. I'll come back and I'll taste it and I'll let you know if it's worth $4. Okay? Now let's take it out from the oven and see what it tastes like. There. I'll get a dish because I don't like eating out of plastic, as I told you before. We're going to put it in a dish and see what it tastes like. That's the finished product. See how many meatballs. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 meatballs. See what it tastes like. Here we go, see if it's really nice. Very hot. Try the spaghetti pasta first. Try the meatball. Not too bad. Not bad though for $4. Quick easy meal, but you think they'd put some more meatballs in it though. So Swedish meatballs cooked thoroughly, 40 grams, $4 from Walmart. Thank you for watching, hope to see you soon.